In a lot of my videos, I like to take the common and make them uncommon. You see, a couple weeks ago, on one of my last builds, I took the cranks off of my Hudson Bay Specialized Rockhopper and put them on the Ritchey Assent because they were Ritchey Logic cranks. Because of that, I needed to get some cranks for the Rockhopper. These cranks are just common specialized cranks from the 90s that we're going to make just a little bit uncommon. I hope you enjoyed this Oldshovel short. Look for opportunities to give those old things new life. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Ciao.
What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.